In this step, what we're going to do is start connecting the corners of these rails together. Now I'm up here at what will be the foot, or where your foot will be when you're sleeping, of this bed. And I found from Hardware Pack 3, 4 of these L brackets have 4 holes in them. And then there's a longer piece of hardware, is an M5 by 30. It's the longer one. And then there's a barrel here, and there will be 2 of them because we'll do this on the other side as well. I'm going to slip that longer hardware, that 30 millimeter hardware, through this lower hole here at the corner. And it's going to intersect with the lower hole of this L bracket. So I'm going to slip that through. And then I'm going to take one of the M5 nylock nuts and go ahead and thread that on. I'll just do it finger tight for right now. And now I'll find one of the shorter pieces, which is a 10 millimeter, and I'll take that and put that through the top hole, and it will also intersect with the top hole in that corner bracket, or that 4-hole corner bracket, and I'll thread on another one of these 5 millimeters. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here on this top, connecting these 2 together, but I'll use 2 of the shorter ones and then 2 of the M5 nuts. Slip that through that top hole, or the bottom hole, and through that corner bracket as well. And sometimes this takes a little manipulation as you're tightening things down, just so you get that corner nice and square. And I'm going to, again, I'm just kind of finger tightening, and we'll go around all the corners and do the same thing. The head rail will be slightly different in what goes on that, and so, but for right now I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side of this foot rail.